My name's Jack Albrecht. I'm from Albrecht Software Consulting GmbH, or ACO for short. I'm the general manager there. We've been around for 30 years. So my position there is mostly the technical stuff. The business is taken care of by someone else. As I said, we've been around for 30 years now. In August, our concentrations are in blending and oil movements, particularly blending real-time optimization and advanced process control, and also interfaces, secure interfaces to and from different pieces inside of an asset. I choose AUTOMA, and I choose this. No, it's not my first time. Also, I do other BGS conferences. The reason I choose them is the value and the context, the content of the presentations, the setup of the conference, and just the networking possibilities. We're constantly developing our optimization technology. As a matter of fact, we've just added a new innovation in our blending optimization to add a second and third phase of the optimization. That's brand new. We're also working on expanding our interface technology. We're concentrating on enhancing the security so that we can transfer data securely internationally, as well as inter-module and inter-asset inside a facility. There's two areas. One, it sounds self-serving, and it is, but working on secure interfaces between different assets. Companies are getting larger, there's more global, but as we particularly saw during COVID, security has become a huge factor. There's a lot more hacking efforts, but people are working remotely. So you need secure ways to transfer data between different assets, and then integrating that as well with the new AI technologies that are out. There was a panel yesterday, they discussed it in great detail, very interesting, how you can use the new AI technologies in a way that not only enhances the business, but also makes security, keeps security at the forefront, that secure data that is not going to be transferred into some AI program which then gets released into the cloud and into the world. First, in general, just the different applications of AI, watching it progress from taking just data slices to data slices that are being used for learning, and then enhancing those learning. It's just a step-by-step process. So that's been very interesting. I've been watching that, and then in the last few years, the use of drones, and then I'm interested to see drones and AI then coming together to have semi-autonomous maintenance through drones. I just think it's a very interesting, it's not in our business area, but I think it's an extremely interesting development that I've just been watching over the years. It's great. The reason that we come to these conferences and prefer the BGS conferences to most all others, I won't say exclusively, but why we prefer them is particularly because of what I consider your unique selling point of having the personal manager to help manage making contacts. I'm here to soak up, as you noted. I'm very curious about things, so I like to find out things, but I'm here to meet people. And when you have 400 people or 800 people at a giant congress, and you don't have someone helping you, it's very much of a roll of the dice whether you can actually meet the people that you want. Having a personal manager that's helping me to meet the people that I want and the people that want to meet me, getting us together in only a couple of days, it's efficient. It just makes the Congress flow much easier because I don't spend endless time just wandering around looking at people's badges, trying to figure out if that's who I am, or asking, hey, have you seen Bob? It's extremely efficient, and I think it's an excellent, unique selling point of the Congress. had two main goals. Both of them were fulfilled. My networking goals, I had a list of people. That's another thing. You provide us with a list of the people that are going to be attending. We internally in my company, we go through the list and we say, you know, who would we like to meet, and we prioritize them. I was able to meet everybody on my list already on the first day. And then the second thing is just to get up to speed on different technologies that are out. I also, going back to one of your earlier questions, the way I like the way you have your sessions subdivided. Instead of having longer sessions with individual speakers in a lot of different rooms, you'll have short 10-minute presentations from different people. And then if I want, I can go and find their booth or go and find them afterwards, rather than saying, you know, that I have to choose between four or five different presentations that are all running concurrently. And if I'm in, you know, 3 minutes in one conference or one room, and I say, oh, this really isn't what I want to see, by the time I go to the other one, I've already missed half of it, and then I can't see any. And this way I can get, you know, it's more like a buffet. And then I can say, I really would like some more of that. And then I can go and find the person and say, hey, you know, I saw your presentation, can we talk some more about it? So it's a really nice format, and so I was able to fulfill both those goals.